Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm just going to show you guys the few vinyl that I got from Record Store Day, which was this past Saturday. So this was my first Record Store Day, like actually going out and looking for records. And it was a pretty cool experience. Like normally when I go to record stores, it's only just me there most of the time, but going and seeing like all these people there was a really cool experience. But it was super weird because I was like the youngest one there. Everyone was in like their 40s or 50s, and then here's just some little 20-year-old there. It was weird, but it was a cool experience. I talked to a lot of cool people there. We had conversations about vinyl, and it was really fun. And everyone was welcoming, so next year I recommend going to Record Store Day, wherever you go. And I only went to one location because I ended up waking up with a headache, so I couldn't wait in line to get the one that I wanted really badly, but it's okay. I made some compromises, so. And I haven't opened any of these yet, so you guys are gonna get to see what they look like with me first. So the first one that I got that I'm 99.9% positive that this was a Record Store Day release, Car Seat Headrest Twin Fantasy. I love these guys a lot. They're one of my favorite, I don't know, indie bands, I guess. And this is a gatefold, bifold if you want to call it. It's cute. It's 2 LPs. It's out of 4,000 if I've read all this stuff correctly on the website. And I know that these are just black. There's 2 LPs in this little shebang. I don't know what to call it. Yeah, I love Car Seat Headrest. This is their newest album that they just came out with a few months ago. High to Death and Cute Things are probably some of my 2 favorites off of this album. And if you haven't listened to Car Seat Headrest yet, I highly recommend them. The singer is very weird. I've seen them live one time, and he was like super emotional, and it was a freaking great time. So, and the next one that I snagged was Pup's self-titled. I'm really excited about this one because it says limited edition colored vinyl. If you guys don't know Pup, they're a Canadian band. I don't know how to describe them either. They're with Side 1 Dummy Records as well. And this is also a gatefold. You know, I don't know what you guys call it. Gatefold, bifold, I don't know. Sucks because I've had the opportunity to see Pup multiple times, but I never have yet. Ooh, this is neat. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. So it's like a gray tie-dye-ish, I guess. Oh yeah, this is a pretty old one. Well, not really old. My standards, it's old, I guess. My favorite off of this one has to be Never Try, I'd say. I don't know who to compare them to. They go a little bit harder than your normal pop punk band. I literally say this about a ton of bands, but Fiddler is the one band I know how to compare a lot of bands to. And they have kind of that vibe that Fiddler gives off, so like a punk, I don't know, it's not, I don't know, never mind. Forget it. The next one that I picked up was Verses by Emarosa. I was in love with this album when I was in high school, I believe. I'm pretty sure I was in high school. Literally like every song. The singer reminded me a lot of You Me at 6 because they changed singers. I remember Johnny Craig used to be in Emarosa and then he left and he's doing his own thing. And now they have a new singer and he's really good. His voice is beautiful. And with this album, they did like an acoustic version of some songs off of this album. And it's called Verses Reimagined, and oh my god, it is beautifully made. All the songs on it are great, I love it. Some of my favorites off of this one are Mad, Gold Dust, or I'll Just Wait. So good. And I'm excited for this one too, because it says limited color vinyl. And ooh, and it says includes compact disc. Haha. Oh! Dude, this makes me happy. Yes, there's a little CD in it too. That's great. This is great. This one is not a gatefold. Ooh. And here is another white one to add to my collection of white vinyl. I literally have probably like 4 white ones by now. They just look very clean and I love it. I know I have a Touche one, I have the Cafferty one, I have this one. There is one more that is white that I own, but I'm not sure which one. Ooh, this is exciting. What the? Why is this broken? Well, that's lit. What the f? Why is... That makes me mad. I guess I just kind of blew it. Whatever. Alright, and the last one I got is Touche Amore, and it is To the Beat of a Dead Horse. And I was really upset about this because I went to this record store. I knew I wasn't gonna find the Record Store Day one that I wanted, which was, it was like the 10-year anniversary release of their 7-inch demo, but it was on a 12-inch and it had like a cool etching on it. And I didn't get it. I got there too late, and the guy that checked me out, he's like, oh, I'm pretty sure we still have it. And I was like, there's no way. I've been in the store for like an hour and a half, I couldn't find it. He's like, no, we definitely have it. And then like, as soon as he was like walking around to check, he's like, oh yeah, just kidding, we don't have it. But it was at their other store, so yeah, I didn't feel like driving another hour to get to the other store, so I didn't. So this one settled for my Touche fix that I needed. This album is really old. I think it's from like 2009, I believe. I don't want to use a knife because a lot of people said that my knife looked too big in a couple of my other videos. And I was like, guess I'm just not going to use that knife anymore. And this one, ooh, dang, that hurts my eyes. This is a gatefold or bifold as well. A lot of these are. I don't actually have a lot of them. This is cool. Okay. And two of my favorites off of this album are either Nine or Suckerfish. So it's like a pink purple. That's neat. I don't really have one that looks like this. So I guess that makes up for the Touche album that I couldn't get, which is okay because I still like this one a lot. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you want any of the download codes from any of those albums or any of the previous ones that I've ever talked about, I probably have the download code still. So let me know in the comments, or let me know what you guys got for Record Store Day, because I know there was a ton of people there, and I'm sure some of you guys were there, so I'd love to hear which kinds you guys got. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace, kiddos.